Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you all. This is Monisha with you from Corpbiz, and in this video we are going to talk about the drug license process in India. Drug license in India, the business entity who works in the healthcare sector such as medicines, drugs or cosmetics shall obtain the drug license from the appropriate authority. As per the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, license is issued by state or central drug standard control organization. Drugs are used in the formation of medicines in a medically defined ratio. Drugs are used in medicines that cure diseases and are used as per the needs to ensure the well-being of the human beings. Therefore, the preparation and use of such drugs in medicine is restrictive, and the standards are set for using the correct amount of drugs that don't harm the body by its overdose. Therefore, any violation in the medically defined terms and limits will have a serious effect on the health of the person consuming it. And in order to protect the consumers having medication, government is regulating medicines manufacturing by imposing strict and stringent laws and regulations which are to be followed by distributor and manufacturer of drugs and medicines in India. So what are the types of drug licenses issued in India? Following are the different types of licenses issued depending upon the type of business for which the license is obtained. First one is manufacturing drug license. All the manufacturers of allopathic, cosmetic, Ayurvedic products or any other medication or drugs as specified under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940. This is the state license that is issued by the particular state government where the unit is situated. Second one is loan drug license. The manufacturer of drugs who don't possess land on his own rather willing to manufacture using the brand name on the land to which license is already issued. Third one is import drug license. Any dealer importing the products for the manufacturing of drugs or is engaged in the business of importing drugs in India shall obtain this license. Multi-drug license. Multi-drug license is acquired by the entity operating in more than one state having multiple units. Sale drug license. Sale drug license is acquired by the entity engaged in whether wholesale or retail business for distribution of drugs in India. Wholesale drug license. Wholesalers doing the business of pharmaceuticals shall obtain wholesale drug license from the Central Drug Standards Control Organization. Wholesale drug license specifies certain minimum requirement on the person applying for this license such as degree and diploma in pharmacy, minimum 1 year experience in drug dealing, retail drug license. This license is obtained by retailers engaged in the business of pharmaceuticals, standalone pharmacists, etc. by applying to the State Pharmacy Council. Key requirements to obtain drug license in India. So following are the key essential factors to be kept in mind before applying for the drug license. The number one among them is the premises area. Minimum area of 10 square meters is required for setting up a medical shop or retail pharmacy. However, if they are operating with the wholesale business along with retail, the minimum area required shall be 15 square meters. Second is storage. Proper storage facility should be in-housed by the implementation of cold storage, refrigerators or similar places for the storage of medicines and vaccines as they shall be stored in cool places. Technical and expert staff. Retail pharmacy shall have a qualified and technical staff with thorough knowledge of the same. Business entities dealing in medicines or drugs would need different types of drug licenses based on their businesses. Drug license being region specific needs to be obtained by a single drug dealer having its multiple units in more than one state. Other than a migrant vendor, drug license shall be applied for every place where drugs are stocked and sold. Drug license holders have to make sure that it complies with the terms and conditions. The license issued overlooking these terms and conditions can get cancelled or suspended. Authority shall be notified about any change or modification if occurred in business. So how to get a drug license in India? So following is the basic procedure to get drug license in India. First among them is, based on the business entity and types of license, the applicant shall apply online for registration. Once the application form is done and registration is completed, the system will auto-generate unique registration number which can be used for future reference. Within 15 days of registration, necessary documents shall be submitted to the Officer of Drug Licensing Authority of a concerned district in hard copy. Documentation. Following is the list of documents required for applying for drug license in India. Application form is the first point which shall be duly signed, which has already been filled. Copy of challan as the proof of depositing of the requisite fee. Then comes the identity proof such as PAN card, voter card, driving license, passport, etc. in case an applicant is a proprietor. In case the applicant is a partnership firm, ID proof of every partner along with the copy of partnership deed. Copy of MOA, AOA and COI in case of private public OPC company. CTC of the board resolution for the authorizing of the company for obtaining the license. Then comes appointment letter of the person who is being authorized by the company. Proof of availability of storage space such as cold storage, refrigerator, etc. Additional documents if the applicant is a registered pharmacist. Diploma of pharmacy, registration certificate issued by Pharmacy Council, appointment letter, affidavit of the pharmacist, educational qualification certificates such as high school and intermediary mark sheets, graduation certificate, post-graduation degree, etc. Minimum 1 year of experience is mandatory in drug sales and marketing of any pharmaceutical company. Plan the layout of the premises for which the license is applied. There shall be an area of minimum of 10 square meters in case the license is applied for the wholesale or retail sale of drugs. There shall be an area of a minimum of 15 square meters in case the license is applied for both wholesale as well as retail sale of drugs. Necessary electricity availability and related installation in the premises. So this was all about the drug license procedure in India. For more concerns or questions on the process of drug license in India, kindly email us at info@corpbizadvisors.com or call on the numbers mentioned over the screen. Do like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you.